pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please stay standing for a moment of silence for our country. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming. Do we have any public comment on the agenda or non-agenda items? Doing salary board at the end.
One non-agenda item, I guess, that I have a question on is the state's receipt of the build, from the Build Back Better for the bridges and stuff, and how it said that's not going, the governor said that's not going to affect any of the tolling. Like, that the tolling is still part of his plan for those bridges.
You are right.
Correct. We did advocate, we had the ear of Senator Bob Casey regarding that. We had the Progress Authority also attend that meeting too, asking if we could then use that money to replace that, and it looks like it's not going to happen.
And will the county then will we get a portion of the money either at the county level or local municipality?
Yep, there's gonna be quite a bit of money coming directly to the counties. Some of the money will be given out in grant form also, matching grants will be available also. Several different ways that they'll be getting the money to us. The particulars will be coming out more though as the months come. So as we find out stuff, we will let you know right away.
All right, I just.
But we're
The
still.
PennDOT money doesn't come to us. The
Yeah, the
PennDOT
PennDOT,
money
no.
for roads and bridges goes to PennDOT.
So
Yeah.
all of this pot of money is gonna be for PennDOT, or will there be
Well, the
municipal?
PennDOT portion of it.
Okay,
So there's, as Judy said, there's different categories in there that funds are attached to, but the lump sum in there that's for roads and bridges will go to PennDOT.
I just know that there is at least, there's particular municipalities dealing with local road and local bridge issues.
Right, so
that
that's
are-
another, so there's also another line item in there that's not PennDOT that will go to, sorry,
Municipalities.
that goes to municipalities. And then municipalities will have to look at it and see what they can do to take and split it up from there.
Our concern for that was that money was primarily going to be in matching funds. We did complain that that's going to be very difficult for our communities because we don't often have matching funds. So they're currently considering that as of right now, how they're going to distribute that money to the very local levels.
All
We'll
right,
keep you
that's
posted.
good. I mean, I know New Milford Borough is looking at a big project for Johnston Street.
Yeah. There'll be money earmarked for septic, for different types of
Street, isn't it?
infrastructure, so.
Yeah.
The bridge there,
Yep.
or the overpass?
No, it's the bridge. It's the bridge, and that bridge was put in 1992, 93.
But that's also an historical bridge too.
Is it?
Yeah, so that they're really restricted as to what they can do.
And 2 years ago, it received like an all clear, and now it is a.
Yeah, well, that's
Anyway.
normal for PennDOT. Yeah.
So, anyway,
Yeah.
I just know, based on
Yeah.
their meeting last week. that
If you
that's-
remember, I think,
Size of
I don't know if
project.
Judy, you were here, but I think you were here. Remember we had the meeting with a lady from the Historical Bridge Society
Yeah,
came
it
in?
was
And there was 2 or 3 bridges in our county that were deemed historical, and the one, of course, we have, which is closed, and the other one was Johnson Street, because how old it is, the construction of it. So they deemed it as a historical bridge, so any repairs or anything done to it, it has to stay original.
That bridge was completely replaced in 1992.
So how
That's not too
So how-
historical.
So how could that be?
That's
Listen,
not
I'm
historical.
just telling you what she said, so, yeah, yeah.
To look into.
That's not.
Yeah, see what you can find out there.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be,
What county?
I don't
bridge?
know who's working on it in New Milford Borough, but, I'll have to go back through, I think I still got my file, if I find it, I'll give it to you, so you can have it.
What county bridge is this? is,
The one out in,
Little Meadow.
the one we have
Middletown.
closed, Middletown.
Township.
Yeah.
Middletown Township.
That one we closed. It only gets the 2 4-wheelers a week across it for the hunting camp. So, it's not worth
And it
putting
was
a
gonna
couple
be
$1 million into it.
Was a couple million.
Couple
to
million
fix
to
that
rebuild
one,
it, yeah.
I do remember that
Yeah,
conversation.
not worth it when you can go around, it takes 5 minutes to go around it, so. So I'll find that file someplace.
thanks. Can you shoot me a message when you do?
I have to excuse myself, I have an emergency call I have to take.
Okay.
Oh, so wait for you?
If you can just give me 1 second.
Okay, go ahead.
Any more snow coming? Stacy, have you read the weather?
I hear there is a nor'easter that based on whichever model you look at, whether it's the American model, we should be spared, and if it's the European model, then
Will be
it
clobbered?
looks like we'll get stuff.
What day's that hitting us? I
That's
haven't even-
Friday into Saturday.
Ah,
They're calling for rain next Thursday.
no.
Yeah, it's supposed to be warm next week.
45 high
Every-
and 36 low. It's
Yeah.
Every
How about we go from 5 below 0 to 45?
Well, let's just,
Sorry.
Is everything
I got
okay?
a message from Skylar yesterday morning because
Okay.
it was negative 50 there,
Negative 50?
with the wind chill negative 50.
What state is she in? Michigan?
North Dakota.
North
Yeah,
Dakota?
And
Alex,
she was
no.
like,
Wow.
I made the mistake of breathing through my mouth when I walked
Oh,
in
dear.
the 20 feet from my car to my building.
Wow.
Like, ooh.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Anything else? Thank you for coming back. Anything else? Thank you for coming back.
Okay.
Were you worried that he
On
wasn't
that
gonna?
note,
Were you worried?
Motion to close public comment.
Okay, I'll second that.
A motion by Commissioner Hall, seconded by Commissioner Herschel to close public comment at 9:07. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve the minutes of January 12th.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall, seconded by Commissioner Herschel to approve the minutes of January the 12th, 2022. All in favor, say aye.
Motion to approve item 3, pay the bills.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall, seconded by Commissioner Herschel to approve the bills for the month. All in favor, say aye.
Motion to approve item 4.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the following seminar travel request. We have 2 from the Public Defender's Office, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve the county room tax grants as attached.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the 2021 Susquehanna County room tax grants as attached, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Motion to approve item 6.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve entering into an agreement with Co-File Essex of Vermont for preservation of maps in the Register Recorder's Office at a total project cost of $83,550, paid from Records Improvement Funds effective January 26, 2022 through the project completion. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 7.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to reappoint the following to the Agriculture Preservation Board effective January 26, 2022 for the term specified: Joe Ellen Green, Elliot Ross, Zeb Robb, and Len Wheatley. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Motion to approve 8.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to reappoint Thomas Chamberlain of Montrose to the Susquehanna County Housing and Redevelopment Board for a 5-year term expiring December 31st, 2027. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 9.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the spending of $600,000 of ARPA funding on the new public safety facility. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve item 10 with a note that's paid with Act 13 money.
I will second that with that change.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve a change order for PAMSCO for $26,374.18 for the new public safety center, with the change added that it is being paid for through Act 13 funds. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Motion to approve 11 with regret.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to accept the resignation of Rick Soden from the Northern Tier Local Loan Review Committee effective January 26, 2022. And we would like to thank Rick for serving the county these years that he has. We appreciate that. seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve 12.
I'll second that.
A motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the appointment of Michelle Kowalski to the Northern Tier Local Loan Review Committee to finish out the vacant term through December 31st, 2022, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve 13.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve entering into contracts with Lackawanna Susquehanna Behavioral Health Intellectual Disabilities Early Intervention Program, Compass Health Systems, and Elizabeth A. Kippicash for fiscal year 2021 to 2022 per the fee schedules as attached, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
No?
Aye. Motion to approve 14.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve entering into a contract with NEC Software Assurance for software upgrades and support to the telephone system at a total annual cost of $1,010, effective February 14th, 2022 through February 13th, 2023, per the recommendation of Stephen Janowski, Director of IT GIS Coordinator, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve 15.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to ratify and acknowledge the hiring of Matthew Tim of Montrose to the open full-time, non-union position of courtroom technician recorder at $14.46 per hour, effective January 24th, 2022, per the recommendation of President Judge Jason Legg, seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve 16 with regret.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to accept with regret the resignation retirement of David Frendall from the position of full-time maintenance electrical and HVAC tech, effective March 9th, 2022, per James Hawley, Director of Public Facilities. I'd like to thank, all of us, thank David for his years of service. I believe he's been here 8 years, so we thank him and wish him well. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 17.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the hiring of Kevin Kruger, New Milford, to the open full-time, union-eligible position of recycling technician, $12.05 per hour, effective January 27th, 2021, with a 6-month probationary period and benefits according to the residual bargaining unit and the county policy manual, per the recommendation of Jennifer Hibbard, recycling coordinator. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve 18.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve the hiring of Justin Siemens, Montrose, to the open full-time, union-eligible position of maintenance and utility technician crew chief at $17.35 an hour, effective January 31st, 2022, with a 6-month probationary period and benefits according to the residual bargaining unit contract, per the recommendation of James Hawley, Director of Public Facilities. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve 19.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to advertise for public bid on municipal the following vehicles. We have 2 2016 Ford Econoline vans. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye. Motion to approve 20.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to award the bid for the 2015 Ford E450 cutaway bus. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
I gotta read that first.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, and the bid is, congratulations, $4,200 to Eugene Sullivan. There we go. Now, Judy, you want a second?
Yep, I'll second that,
it
yeah.
now. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Okay.
Motion to approve 21.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to approve proclamation 2022-03 as February as American Heart Month in Susquehanna County. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to close the meeting and open the salary board.
I will second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to close the Commissioners' meeting at 9:14. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
We're gonna open the salary board. Salary board opens at 9:14. Public comment on the agenda item.
Motion to close public comment.
I'll second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall, seconded by Commissioner Herschel to close the public comment. All in favor, say aye.
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 Motion number 2.
I'll make a motion for number 2.
Okay. Move the change to motion 4.
Let me see, we have the minutes of the salary board.
What was that change on four?
It was 1449 in the agenda, and the correct rate is 1446.
46,
Yeah, there was
$14.46.
just a typo.
Okay,
Okay.
just a typo, okay.
okay,
So approve the minutes of the January
and I'll
12th
second that.
change. Are you all right with that?
Yep.
Okay. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve item 3 with the understanding that once the individual's found, the salary will have to come back and be approved by the salary board.
I will second that.
With that change,
With
okay.
that change, yes.
Ratify and create the full-time union eligible position of HVAC technician, maintenance team leader, salary to be determined effective January 24th, the 6-month probationary period, per the recommendation of James Hawley, Director of Public Facilities. Okay, so we have a first by Alan, seconded by Judy. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Jason?
Okay. Approve item 4.
I'm gonna second that.
Motion by Commissioner Hall to eliminate the full-time union-eligible position of maintenance manager effective January 26, 2022, per James Hawley, Director of Public Facilities. Seconded by Commissioner Herschel. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Okay.
Motion to close the meeting.
Motion by Commissioner Hall, seconded by
Commissioner Herschel.
Commissioner Herschel to close the meeting at 9:16. Thank you very much. Thank you, Treasurer, for coming.
How was your